A very good morning, everybody. We are going to work for tips for effective listening. Listening effectively is hearing and understanding what a speaker is saying and how it applies to you. Then remembering it for future use and evaluation. There are ways to improve listening skills for lectures. The following is a list of some basic techniques which we have to take care while we are listening or attending a seminar. Recognize how ideas are organized. Lectures usually begin with some type of introduction. Followed by a thesis statement, which is supported by additional information. Most professors bring closer to their lecture by summarizing what they have covered. Learn to identify the lecture style that is used by your professor. Become involved in what is being said by an avid listener. Constantly analyze what is being said. Cut through distractions, background noise, unusual accents, dialects, and language mistakes. Speaker disorganization, emotion or habits. Unrelated material. Your own inner voice. Organize statements into main points and supporting reasons. Using an outline form may be helpful. Discriminate between the relevances and irrelevances. Remember that not all information are important. Maintain an active body state. Keeping alert and having eye contact with the speaker will help you listen more effectively. In order to improve your listening skills, you will need to practice using suggestive techniques until they become automatic. As we all know that listening skills are very important for all of us, that I have already discussed. Listening is a way of learning. Till the time we are listening, that means we are learning. We are listening something new, that means we are learning something new. These add up to our personal experience and personal way of working.